Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit the ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Now let's take a look again at the gold market. Well, guys, compares to the forex markets where our expectations have not been formed by the market, since we have discussed the euro currency and all bullish preparations that market has created in the first days of this current week were vanished during yesterday's data release on the Germany inflation, and today market could be impacted even more by Eurozone inflation data that will be released a bit later. Conversely, on the gold market in general, our trading plan and our assumption was correct, since market as it stands and holds above the 1270 area, it has shown the upward bounce. And right now the major question is whether market will be able to continue this bounce up, because recent data points on really lack the foundation for the possible upward continuation, because dollar becomes stronger and even has become stronger yesterday, since mostly due to the new tensions around Ukraine. The demand on the physical commodities market and the gold market is really weak, still is weak. And that's all presses on the gold market and doesn't let it to show any solid upward action. Right now, as you can see, today the bearish grabber could be formed that could be really very useful for us on the coming week, because it could shed some light on whether it will be turning to the downside, retracement is over, and market will fail to hold above 1270. In this case, we should be ready for 1240 action, or if we will not get the grabber and we will see some chance on the possible upward action. In this case, we continue to think about the possible reversal head and shoulders pattern. But currently, guys, to be honest, it's look for me a bit doubt, since for such action it's above 30 in an area to the 30.15 is really some significant factors, some significant reasons should appear on the gold market that could trigger this action to the upside. And I currently do not see this really significant action, because take a look, I do not see the significant reasons that could do this. Besides, if you take a look at recent action in the gold market, take a look at this plunge down, take a look at this, almost for the whole week market moves down. Well, it really seems that it's really lack of the significant support from the investors on the gold market right now. Anyway, the major point here in the short-term perspective, I think, on the gold market is this potential for the grabber. If we will get it, this will be quite another story. On the intraday charts, what we see on the 4-hour time frame chart. Here, guys, I would like to repeat the same concern that we have announced in the beginning of the week. Take a look at this 127 extension. Theoretically, it could be some kind of the 3-drive pattern. And this upward action, recent upward action, it's a bit heavy. It's not really fast like here. For example, here is downside, and upward action looks more as a retracement from this move rather than some new development to the upside. That's why we could get some kind of the regardless triple to sell or something of that sort. In general, we said as market moves above the weekly pivot point, it probably will continue move right to the weekly pivot resistance one. This almost has happened, so just a few cents market hasn't quite reached the weekly pivot resistance one. Right now, market has moved below again the confidence resistance that already has been broken, and here it's difficult to say what to expect, because market really could continue move higher. This could be also some kind of the maybe not the 3-drive, but something of that sort to the upside if market will continue move higher. But currently, guys, I am not sure that we will get it, because even the rumors yesterday from the presidents of the Ukraine that about the Russian invasions forces on the Ukraine, gold market wasn't able to support this upward action. And when the data has been released on the bad inflation and in the revision of the gross domestic product, the second quarter, that has pressed on the gold, and gold market has pushed down. That's why, guys, it seems that the chances on the downward continuation right now seems more probable. Seems better than the upward continuation. On the hourly chart, what we have here, guys, market has completed this A, B, C, bottom, D pattern. The butterfly that we have discussed yesterday also have been completed. As you can see, this market almost has hit the 1618 extension of this cross down. So also, although, guys, here we can't exclude that maybe market will make another drive to the upside, right? An area of the 5.8 fib resistance, as it's shown on the 4-hour time frame charts, the 13 even approximately 30.03 area. Well, it's really possible. But as I said, guys, due to the reasons that I have just mentioned, well, for me it seems that market is probably ready to has more chances to show downward continuation. Well, and that's why what we could do here. Well, guys, since we stand at the edge, at the eve of long-term holidays in the United States, I think that it's better to wait for pattern on the daily chart. At least it will give us some confidence, some clarity what to expect. So if we will get the grabber here, all questions will be resolved concerning whether market will continue to move higher or not. In this case, we probably will be focused on the downward action, and we will try to take the bearish position. While if market will not form the grabber, well, in this case probably chances will be held on the possible upward continuation. That's why I call you do not take the insufficient risk today, and it's better to wait some clarity on the daily chart, because we will not miss anything. When we get the grabber pattern, we will have a lot of room and the chance to take the really position that will be based on some more solid foundation that we have right now. So our short-term analysis, our short-term expectation has been reached, so market has shown some retracement to the upside, and now we just need to get more information about can we count on the upward continuation, or that's all, and we should be ready for the downward reversal and some deeper move to the downside. And for that purpose, we need to get the solution with the pattern that could be formed on the daily chart. I think that's more reasonable approach right now. It's absolutely I do not see any necessity to trying to dive in the current trading on the gold market at the eve of the long holidays in the United States.